in these remote rivers may be the answer to Haiti's economic woes. A bike ride along dirt roads leads to what could be more than $20 billion worth of gold and other precious minerals. It's a secret that locals in northern Haiti have known for generations, and they don't want it to get out.
Since I was a kid, I have been panning for gold. I don't want any company to come here and take our gold away. Gold is my life.
The women show us the river they pan in, but we're worried that we would reveal the location to a mining company. Several foreigners have offered to pay them over the last year to drill on their land. After 6 days of panning for gold, these women earn about $100, which is more than enough to feed their families. Mining has been a way of life here for centuries for these people, and they want it to stay that way. So far, Canadian and American mining companies have invested more than $30 million collecting samples, building roads, and digging. Nearly 15% of Haiti's territory is now under license to North American mining firms. In neighboring Dominican Republic, mining companies believe they've found the largest gold reserve in the Americas, 24 million ounces. And they're hoping that the gold rush extends to Haiti, a country where the average person earns less than $1 a day. But keeping those potential profits in the country will be a challenge. Haiti has one of the lowest royalty rates in the Western Hemisphere. Only 2.5% of the value of each ounce of gold extracted.
We probably also have not only the weakest government in the hemisphere in terms of institutions, it's also probably the most corrupt government in the hemisphere. That spells a lot of money for a tiny group of people here in the capital. All the rest of the money will go to shareholders up in the United States and Canada.
Many Haitians like Jean-Hugo are already worried about doing business with foreign companies. Although he allowed a Canadian firm to test his land, he is now having second thoughts about selling his property.
I don't trust doing business with them. They promised they would give people jobs operating the machines, and they did not fulfill any of their promises.
But the reality is, big companies will likely create hundreds of jobs for locals, a fact that might convince some it's worth taking the risk. Rachel Levin, Al Jazeera, Trou du Nord, Haiti.